So being healthy, embracing wellness is a natural process. You don't have to put that your goal. Whatever you are doing now is absolutely fantastic. The way you are putting up the process, the way you are meditating, the way you are journaling, the way you appreciate things, the way you love everything is absolutely fantastic. The only resistance which is not allowing you to embrace wellness is your too much attention on that. You are putting a goal to be healthy, which is so unnatural, because it is natural to be healthy, it is natural to allow well-being. So don't take it as a goal for you, and the more you talk about the goal, you are resisting the natural flow within. You are already healthy, you are already embracing well-being, but the only thing is you are not aware that you are embracing it. The more and more you focus on what is happening to your physical body, the attention goes there only, and the more attention goes there, universe understands you love that, and it keeps on giving you similar experiences where you start feeling that uncomfortable situations or giddiness, or so many not so good elements happening inside your body, is all because universe understand she is focusing on not so good things about health, and there are some more thoughts for you on this. Another 14 seconds happens, some more thought for you on this, so it crosses 58 seconds, then you start getting into a spiral, then you will start feeling that sensation in your body, you will manifest that thought in your body, you will start feeling more giddiness, you will start feeling very uncomfortable in the body, you will start feeling different aches in the body, very uncommon signals in your body, is all because it is only showing you one thing, that you are too much focused on the resistance here. Just let go of things. You are way healthy than you're actually thinking of. You are way healthy. Since we have got an aerial view of all the vibrational wombs that you have, we absolutely with authenticity can tell you, you are way healthy than you're actually letting it in. It is only the resistance which is stopping you to allow that manifestation in your physical body. Just let go, just lose everything. You are absolutely fine, you are doing fantastic. So many wonderful things are happening, you are getting so many positive momentum, appreciation, love from so many people, all good vibrations surrounded in your vibrational womb, which is absolutely uplifting you in every way possible. It is only that you are not allowing that to enter your vibrational womb to give you that experience. You are far healthy. Just let loose of everything. You don't have to fall sick for anything. Embrace well-being. Allow the healing to happen. You don't have to look for healing. Just allow. Naturally, it is falling on you. Like the rays of sunlight falls on you, the health, the wellness is naturally falling on you. Every cell of your body is embracing wellness. It is healing by itself. You have to withdraw your attention of what is happening in your body for some time. Just try for a mechanism where you can withdraw the attention of what's not going right in your body. Just leave it for some time. Focus on wonderful health that you have got. You are far more healthy. Walk how much ever you want, go wherever you want, appreciate the nature, be there. Whatever you want to eat, peacefully, lovingly, funfully, have that. Have maximum energy for doing things. Just focus on your well-being. Tell yourself that I am doing great with my body. Every moment that you feel something comes into your mind, tell your mind that I am doing great in my body, and you are so blessed to have this body. You can repeat as, I am so blessed to have my body. Such an amazing functioning mechanism, which is beyond any human invention. No human can invent a body like yours. It is not possible. It is an absolute gift from the universe to you. Such an amazing mechanism the body has got. You don't have to physically drive any part of your routines. The heart pumps by itself, the blood flows by itself, the kidney functions, the liver functions, pancreas functions, the brain does its activity, the spine functions, the nervous system functions. You don't have to go and monitor any function. Don't you appreciate this wonderful process when every cell of your body is wanting you to live that healthy, happy life? Just let go of all the resistance. You don't need a specific special process to do it. Loosen your resistance. That is the only thing. The more and more you focus on your giddiness, it will multiply, because law of attraction only knows that. It doesn't feel that, you may not need this. It only knows more you focus on that, the more things which makes you feel like that attracts you. So focus on well-being, relax, let loose all your resistances. Just enjoy your body, enjoy, appreciate every cell of your body, lovingly enjoy your body, hug yourself, kiss the part of your hands, stand in front of a mirror, love yourself, hug yourself, give that appreciation to body, be grateful to the body, and you are doing so good that every resistance will start dissolving, and you will start feeling or seeing the physical evidences also in few days. So in 10 days, if you want to travel, do this exercise right from this moment. You will see a huge shift in your energy. You are far, far healthier than you're actually thinking for. It is only your resistance thought which is not allowing you to embrace that wellness. Just relax in your being. You're doing everything. When you start feeling the discomfort in your body, be rest assured you will manifest the discomfort even more.
But when it's coming, you can't ignore the discomfort, right?
Absolutely. So what we are saying is, don't do any of these exercises when you are feeling the discomfort in the body. That is the main point we want you to understand.
So what do I do at that point?
When you feel the discomfort in your body, just relax in the being. Take, if you want the medical help for some time, because every disease is actually created in your thought first and then manifested in the body. We are not blaming any one of you for that. We are only helping you to find a solution for it. So we are only saying, when the discomfort is actually manifested in your body and you are feeling it in the body, that is not a time to go for positive spiral. Because at that point of time, when your body is not feeling good, if you forcefully try and do some exercise where you want to feel good, it hits you back with the negative momentum. So just allow that moment to subside. When you are feeling the discomfort in your body, we are not saying go and appreciate your body. You can't do that, because when body is hurting, you can't appreciate that. And we don't want you to fake your emotions as well. We want you to just accept the discomfort. It is okay. Lot many times I have felt the discomfort in the body, and I am sure I will get out of it sooner. It is just my resistant thought which is manifested in my body as this discomfort. I am going to relax in my being, and I'm sure when my thought subsides, when the momentum subsides, and when I pick the positive momentum, everything in my body sets right. My cells knows how to heal itself. It is okay to feel. It is okay to feel, or it is okay to be where I am now. I know I can embrace wellness. Just relax in your being. If you need a help of a medicine, take that. Go and have a nap. Whenever you feel comfortable in your body, that is the time that you can do all these exercises. When the body is hurting, you are in the negative spiral. At that point of time, any amount of appreciation won't make you feel good. It won't kickstart the positive emotion. So just be aware of your thought. And it is okay to have discomfort in the body. We always say, before all, you are in this physical body. So it is not a robotic machine. So it is absolutely to okay to attract sickness, because as long as you know that and you are aware that things are happening because of your attention to the thought, you are in a safer zone only. It is okay to have discomfort in the body. It is not unnatural. Lot of people have, millions of people have, and it is also okay to let the wellness in as well. It is absolutely okay. Wherever you are, it is okay. Just relax in your being. The moment you start thinking like this, you feel a little lighter. Instead of thinking about the thought, what if this happens when I'm traveling, you are going to the negative spiral. Stop the momentum. It is okay. It is okay to manifest unwanted things in my body, because you are all in the human body and you go through contrast, and contrast is a good thing. The more and more you're feeling sick, the more you're shooting a desire to be healthy. So if you are embracing health, you will move towards healthy life only. So it is absolutely okay wherever you are. Start from there. Acknowledge your situation. Divert your situation. If you need some medicines at that point of time, take it. Go have a nap. After all this, whenever you start feeling better about your health, that is the time you kickstart this positive momentum.
Because
we always say today is the day and power is in the now. How do you feel tomorrow morning at this point of time? Doesn't matter. Today is the day. Today, most of the day, did you feel healthy? Did you think good thoughts? Were you feeling energetic? Did you have good food? Did you enjoy your life? Did you enjoy your being here? Did you converse with your loved ones? You had some funful moments. Today is the day. Only focus on today like that. And today, if you are in positive momentum, the chances are very high that tomorrow also you're going to continue with that, unless you introduce the negative thought. So look at one day at a time. Today is the day and power is in the now. Even though if you're not feeling comfortable from morning till now, it is absolutely okay. And power is in the now. Now you can shift the thought. Now you can start feeling better. Mentally start feeling better. So don't focus on what happens tomorrow. Don't focus on what happens after 10 days, or don't focus on what happens after when you're traveling. That is so irrelevant. Today is the day and power is in the now. Today feel better. Chances are tomorrow also you're going to feel better. So 2 days of feeling better, third day is also going to be much better, fourth day much better, and you will start flipping the momentum. And the more and more you focus in your travel, let the thought be of a positive momentum where you feel you're enjoying your traveling. If a thought comes of what if I get this in my traveling, stop the thought. Stop it there and focus on something else. At that point of time, don't do the positive momentum spiral. That won't happen. That won't help you. You will be like thrown away onto the bushes.
Yeah,
So
you
don't do
giving
that.
up.
Whenever you're feeling good, only you do that.